Here's how to get the community tab in YouTube mobile. Now, if you're on an iPhone, Android, or an iPad, and you wanted to be able to have the community tab and post community post, I'll show you how to do it, but first hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, if I open up the YouTube app here, you can see my other account. If I tap on you and view channel, it doesn't have the community tab on here, and it doesn't give me the ability to show those community posts on YouTube on my channel. And to be able to do this, you need to open up a web browser here, and you're going to go to studio.youtube.com and hit go. Now, there are two things. One is, if it asks you to go over to the YouTube Studio app, make sure you say no. You want to continue on the website. And the second thing is, of course, you're just going to log into your account after you're logged in. Let's just zoom into the bottom left here and tap on the gear icon. This will bring you into the settings of your channel, and you're going to tap on channel here under general. Now, all we need to do is go over to feature eligibility. You can see the option for standard features, intermediate features, and advanced features. Now, we need to make sure everything is enabled on here. You can see intermediate features is enabled. If it is not enabled for you all, you need to do is verify your phone number associated with your YouTube account or channel, and then you'll get those intermediate features. However, if I scroll down to advanced features, there are some requirements here to be able to do this. Let me zoom out and see if that I can open this up here. It's a bit hard to do sometimes in mobile. Let's open it up. You can see intermediate features, and you can do it, essentially get those intermediate features by doing a video verification, a valid ID like a driver's license or something like that, or channel history. Now you'll be able to see you get a bunch of advanced features, and including on those advanced features, you'll get the community tab. So just hit access features here, and then you can see I can go over and take a 6-second video of myself, upload a photo ID like a driver's license, or build as you grow. And it says, as you and YouTube grow, you can build a channel history. And once you have enough, it usually takes about 2 months. You can unlock that feature. So you have various options. Once you go through this process, it usually takes within a day or 2 days. You'll definitely get approved, and then you'll start be able to create those community posts and have that community tab. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below and leave a comment. If you still have any questions, thanks, guys.